Welcome back to KeiroCraze, the place where the internet's craziest experiments, wildest engineering ideas, and most satisfying creations come to life. Today's lineup is pure chaos. We're about to witness a giant Coke-powered jetpack, a bicycle with half a wheel somehow riding perfectly, a car transformed into a bike, and a man who literally built himself a real-life roller skate suit. Some of these inventions look completely ridiculous, but somehow they actually work. Every clip will battle for the official KeiroCraze rating. So get ready, because today, science and insanity are working together.
Take a look at this and tell me, what is it?
Exactly! Coke bottles! But so many of them! Is there a huge party going on? No, friends, something entirely different is being done in this video. You probably already know that when Mentos are added to Coke, tiny indentations on the Mentos react with the soda to release carbon dioxide, creating gas pressure within the bottle. As a result, you've likely seen scenes like this. And if the pressure is even higher, something like this can happen. Now that is high pressure. And if the pressure gets even higher than that, OMG. We've certainly learned that there is a vast difference between low pressure and high pressure. It's incredible, but what exactly are these guys planning to do with it? They want to harness this energy in a unique way. Watch this.
Essentially, they want to achieve flight, much like this. However, instead of expelling air under pressure as a standard jetpack does, they intend to utilize the pressure generated by the Coke reaction. But to do that, they're going to need a massive amount of pressure. They eventually discovered that heating the Coke and then adding propane to it would generate significantly higher pressure. So let's see how that turns out. Wow, it actually worked. It took off just like a rocket. Next, they tried adding sodium to the Coke to see what would happen. But that resulted in an outright explosion. And when they experimented with hydrogen peroxide, this was the result. However, to actually achieve sustained flight, you would need a colossal amount of Coke and Mentos. And if you were to mix that much Coke and Mentos all at once, the situation would quickly spiral out of control. So here is their plan. Still don't get it? They plan to mix the Coke and Mentos inside one giant-sized bottle, allowing the resulting gas to vent through a jetpack rig strapped to a person's back. According to their calculations, they would need a massive 400-gallon bottle. Finally, the huge bottle arrives. They anchor it firmly into the ground. To complete the look, they even paint and decorate this massive container to resemble a standard Coke bottle. And just look at that. A spectacular jetpack system is now ready to go. Absolutely incredible. And here is a whole lot of Coke, plus heaps of Mentos. Now, we're going to empty all the Mentos out. And using this specific section of the bottle, we'll fill it up with a massive amount of Coke. Before filling it with Coke, however, it's filled with water to test the pressure and the jetpack mechanism. And yes, it's working. So now we'll fill this giant bottle with Coke. Not just 2 or 5 bottles, we're going to pour in a massive quantity of Coke. Next, come the Mentos. By the way, that's 10,000 Mentos right there. All right then, jetpack strapped on and ready for takeoff. What do you think? Will this guy actually be able to fly? Let's find out. Here comes the first attempt. No? Just a total waste of Coke. Okay, on to the next attempt. This time with a bit more pressure. It looks like the pressure is just about right this time. Look, for a brief moment or two, his feet actually lifted off the ground, but that's still not quite enough. However, in the very end, oh wow, did you see that? All that hard work finally paid off, at least a little bit. All in all, it was a fun watch. And for this video, KeiroCraze gives it a score of 8 out of 10.
All right, tell me this. Will this bicycle even be rideable? First, let's take a look at how this bicycle was built. Then we'll see whether or not it actually runs. To begin with, this was just a perfectly functional, standard bicycle. But then, one day, the front wheel snapped right in the middle. That marked the beginning of this bicycle's new avatar. The bicycle's wheel was completely dismantled, and the inner tube and tire were removed. We would be working solely with the rim. Next, the chainring was quickly taken off. The section of the wheel that had become completely useless was discarded. After that, the rear wheel, which was in perfect condition, was removed as well. The chainring was detached from that one too. Then, the wheel was separated from its inner tube and tire. It was then cut into 2 halves, and tape was applied in this specific manner. Now, we needed to cut a tire to fit the half wheel.
So, after carefully marking the tire, it was cut to size. The tire was fitted onto the wheel, and holes were then drilled at regular intervals around it. To ensure a secure grip between the wheel and the tire, pins were inserted through all the holes to fasten them together. Finally, the chainring was reattached to this half wheel, and it was mounted back onto the bicycle to serve as the rear wheel. Just take a look. This wheel is exactly like the original one, except now it's only half the size. Now we needed to attach the remaining half section behind it. So, after taking precise measurements, extra pipes were fitted on both sides to connect the 2 parts. The newly added pipes and the other components were then painted to match the bicycle's original color scheme. And finally, the wheel was secured in place. And just like that, your bicycle is ready. Do let me know in the comments what you think of the bicycle's appearance.
Also, take a moment to wonder, will this bicycle actually ride properly or not? Let's find out. Mind blown, wasn't it? It's not just moving, it's riding exactly like a normal bicycle. Wow. That is the brilliance of a smart engineer. I give this video a KeiroCraze score of 9.5 out of 10. Can you tell me what this is? A motorcycle or a car? Well, just by looking at the wheels, you should be able to tell. Take a close look. Is it a bicycle, a motorcycle, or a car? No worries, let's start from the beginning and see what the situation is. A guy took his car onto a road where only bikes could typically travel. So he thought to himself, why not just fit bike wheels onto it? And just like that, the work began. The car's original wheels were removed and bike wheels were installed in their place. All the wheels were properly inflated and now it was ready for a ride. Uh-oh! Before setting off, to really get that bike feel, he decided to swap out the steering wheel as well. What's this? It went flat before it even started moving. And it wasn't just one, all 4 wheels met the same fate. But some people simply never give up.
Those flimsy wheels were removed and sturdier ones were put on instead. All right then, let's see what happens now. Look, look! It's actually moving! Amazing. That was great to watch. This video gets a KeiroCraze score of 7.5 out of 10.
If you have any understanding of skating, take a close look at this man. Did you look carefully? This man has attached skates in unusual places. On his chest, on his hands, and even on his feet. Yet, he doesn't strike me as crazy at all. Let's find out what the story is. It all started when he saw something on TV one day, a scene from an action movie. He became obsessed with the idea of creating a roller skate suit just like it. Then the research began, starting with the crucial question, what type of skates would work best? Next, he ordered some high-quality skates online. A design was finalized, specifying that skates would be mounted on his hands, chest, and feet. The first step was to prepare the skates for his feet. Typically, skates are worn on the soles of the feet. However, for this project, they needed to be positioned below the knees instead. So the first thing he did was remove the straps.
That's right. All he needed were the rollers themselves. To attach them to the lower leg area, he utilized wooden plates. The first unit is complete. More skates arrived, and he applied the exact same process to them. And just like that, the rollers for both legs were ready. Wow, look how smoothly they function. He then repeated this identical process to create the rollers for his hands. And now, the chest rollers are being constructed. Everything is now ready to go. So, let's go out there and kick up some dust. What do you think? Will it work? Oh my god, he looks just like an action movie hero. I can hardly believe how effortlessly he glides along. Wow, his speed is impressive too. This is absolutely incredible. I thoroughly enjoyed watching this. KeiroCraze gives this video a score of 8.5 out of 10.
Today's experiments were absolutely insane. A Coke-powered jetpack, a half-wheel bicycle somehow working perfectly, a car riding on bike wheels, and a real-life roller skate suit straight out of an action movie. Honestly, the internet never disappoints. Now I want to know, which invention was your favorite? Drop your answer in the comments below. And if you enjoy crazy experiments, satisfying engineering, wild inventions, and real reactions, then hit subscribe and join the KeiroCraze family. Because on this channel, we don't just watch experiments, we survive them. See you in the next one.